Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to install and run latest Python, Pycharm, Django at once, and let's get started. First, you want to search Python download and press enter, and then you want to select the first link, and then you will be directed to this Python website, and then select Windows under downloads, and then you want to select Windows installer 64-bit of the latest Python, and then the download will start in the bottom left. Okay, now the download is complete, and now you have to go to the folder where we have downloaded it, double click on it to start the installation process. Here you want to select customize installation, check this box to add Python to path, that's very important, and then you close that. Here you want to check every box, you can leave a documentation, then next, and then you want to check these two boxes. The most important is add Python to environment variables, and then you can install. This is just the path, then install, and Python is now being installed. Okay, the installation is now done. Installation of Python is complete. We can close this. And now let's go to our command prompt and we check whether it has really been installed, and we can do that by checking the version. Simply type python -- version and press enter, and that's it. We have the latest Python. And then let's check the pip version, pip -- version, press enter, and that's it. We have pip 22.0.4, and that's the latest as of the recording of this video. And now we have both Python and pip. So now let's go to our Google and we search for Pycharm. So you just want to type Pycharm download and press enter. Again, you want to select the first link from www.jetbrains.com, and from Pycharm website you want to select and click on download button of community version, and the download will start in the bottom left. And when it's done, click on it to start the installation process. Click next. This is just the path. Click next, and then you want to check pretty much every box here, and then click next, and then install, and then select I want to manually reboot later. Click finish. Do not import settings, then okay. Then the installation will start, and when it's finished, create a new folder by clicking on the plus sign, and then name your project. I will name mine practice, and then click on new environment using virtual environment, and then check this box to create a main.py welcome script, and then press create. So now our project has been created. So this is our project. We named it practice, and you can see our virtual environment is this one. You can see it here. Let me click on it and zoom it. Okay, this is our virtual environment, and then let's try to run the main.py. Just click on run and then run main to check it out. Okay, it's running fine. You can see hi Pycharm. And now let's go to our command prompt. To install Django, you just want to type pip install the Django and then press enter. The installation will start. Okay, I already heard it, but after the installation is done, you just want to check its version. You just type python -m the Django -- version, press enter, and then we have Python version as 4.0.4. So let's go back to Pycharm and install the Django module in Pycharm. Simply go to file and then settings, and then you just want to look for our project, which was practice. Any name you named it, mine was practice, and then click on Python interpreter, then click on this plus sign, and then you just want to search Django. You type Django, and then it will show up as the first result, and then go down and then press install package. You can check the version, but we have the latest, so we will leave that out, and then just simply click on install package and it will start installing, as you can see it here. Okay, now the installation is done. Let's close everything here, and now let's create an app to check out everything that we have done. So you go to your terminal in Pycharm and then simply type Django-admin start project, and then my first app. You can name it anything. I've just named it my first app, then press enter, and then you want to navigate to your app, so just type cd my first app and then press enter, and then you can type python manage.py run server to run the app. Press enter, and this will give us this link. You can see it here, this link, and then you just want to copy it. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. I will just paste it here and then press enter, and boom, that's it. The install worked successfully. Congratulations. So that shows that everything has been done successfully. So let's try to access the admin panel. Simply type /admin on the link you pasted, and then you try to enter any username here. I'll enter my name, Raymond, and then the password, and then click login, and we have an error. So to solve this, let's go back to our terminal in Pycharm and press Ctrl+C, and then type python manage.py migrate. So this will migrate the database, and then after it's done, you type python manage.py create super user. So we are creating a super user here, the admin. Press enter, and then enter the username that you want to use. I will use admin. Press enter, then enter the email address. I will use admin@gmail.com. then I'll enter my password, then I'll enter it again, and then press enter. Okay, my password is too short, let me create it again. I'll enter a new password. The previous one was too short. I'm entering it again, and then press enter. Now super user has been created successfully. Now let's type python manage.py run server to run the app again. Press enter, and we will get the same link. Just copy it and paste it in the browser. I will right click and copy it, and then paste it in my browser here. Press enter, and then you can see we don't have any issue. Then let's try to access the admin again. Simply type /admin on the same link. Press enter, and then enter the username that you created. I used admin, and then I'll enter my password also that I set, then press on login, and that's it.